welcome back. So today's video is going to be a house tour of our house. Now this is not glamorous, okay, this is not like one of those house tours where I like, you know, got everything perfect. There's like still boxes, but I did want to show you guys the house. It's gonna be kind of noisy once I open this door. I'm actually in the front porch because my 20-month-old is running around with grandma, my husband's in there, the dog's probably gonna bark, so just keep that in mind. I'm not trying to like lie. My house is not clean all the time and it isn't clean today, but I wanted to show you the house as it is now. I want to keep making changes as we go along, but want to get more stuff hung on the walls. I might want to paint some rooms. You get me. But let's go ahead and jump in. So first things first, open the door. All right, so this is the door I just walked in. Obviously, it came with this built-in bench. So we just put our shoes there. And this is a coat closet. We put our coats in the stroller. This is a front room we call the playroom. Sorry if you hear my daughter. But she's got her ball pit and her tunnel and her stroller and her grocery cart and basketball hoop, you know, all that stuff. Other toys. We read books over there. So there's a box of books, our big sectional, and toy box back there, and a piano. There are some holes up there, and I don't know what I want to put up there. That was like from the TV wiring from the previous owners. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put like a big painting, if we're just going to like close up the hole. I don't know. And then there's a big opening, and this goes to my husband's office, which still has work. So from the front door, this is my husband's office. Yes, he has 6 monitors. He stands and walks on his treadmill desk. And then he sits there, plays on his laptop. That TV like swings out, swivels. Dog bed, obviously. Kind of messy, but it's kind of with the magic where he works. And now we'll look down the hallway. And then I'm going to put my back to the front door so you guys can see. This is like what you see when you walk in. Just a really long doorway. There's the dog. Hi, Penny. We've got a half bath here. I haven't really decorated in here, so didn't come with a mirror for some reason, so I just got a standard mirror. I don't know why. We have a green soap and a red towel. That's as much decorating as we've done. And then just a little powder room. Nothing fancy. I haven't put anything on the walls in here yet. Haven't really decided what theme I want, or I haven't found a painting I love, so my daughter. All right, and then I just got those shelves put up there straight ahead, and that's our TV, big sectional. So this is like the great room. We have like our dining room table, chandelier, really tall ceilings, if you can tell. I don't know how tall they are, like maybe 10, 14 feet. I don't even know. And this is the kitchen. And then dog food there, island, refrigerator. This is our pantry. And this is not clean, but I will show you. If you guys want to see like a pantry tour organization or something, let me know. I definitely have room to improve, but you can kind of tell my dollar store idea with the chalkboard labels. Now off to the left of the kitchen and great room is the master. It's like a split floor plan. So it's a basket of dog toys, and I don't know what you call this, like a little cutout for artwork. So this is the master. You see my filming equipment back there with my vanity. This is the room I think that needs like the most cleaning and work, but TV, AV receiver thing. So this is like the stuff that's pending. This is like artwork that I need to hang, stuff that needs to go to Goodwill, decorations, that kind of stuff. And my filming equipment. This is where the magic happens. Yeah, like I have a big mirror over here I don't know what to do with, but I love the mirror, the windows. Lots of natural light. I'll show you the backyard. You guys will love it. This is our bed. Just got those paintings for Christmas. Got them hung. Headboard, new pillows, new blanket here. Funny enough, this trash can is here because I throw up like still with the pregnancy all the time. So I always have one next to the bed just in case. I tend to get really sick in the mornings because I haven't eaten in a long time if I like sleep through the night. It's my laptop charger, my heating pad, the baby monitor, cell phone charger, you know. I could be like fake and tuck it behind the thing for like 5 minutes while I film this, but I didn't want to. This is the master bath. I really like the bathroom here, but wait till you see the closet. So it kind of has like a little vanity cutout. I've yet to sit at that, honestly, in like 2 months we've lived here. My sink, my husband's sink, a linen closet here. And I kind of did the same thing with the dollar store bins. Again, this is not neat, okay? But you can tell extra pillows, toiletry type stuff, and then like linens down there. So it isn't perfect, but if you guys want to see like a home tour organization thing, let me know. My bathtub sign, I love my bath. I love this tray I got from Amazon. Any links you guys want, just let me know. I don't link everything because it takes forever, but just a little powder room. Should have turned on all the lights before I did this, but this house is 4,500 square feet. It would be a major task to go around and turn on all the lights. Standing shower. One thing that was interesting about this shower is that it had 2 shower heads. So like my husband and I have both been in there before, and we each have our own shower heads. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, nothing fancy other than that, just a shower. This is the master closet, guys. So you look in the front door, it has some built-ins. And so let me get in fully. So over here you can see my shoes. These are like my neutral shoes, black, gray, white, beige, brown. Purses. This is my new jewelry thing. Let me know if you guys want like a full closet tour, but I'm still like hanging up some necklaces and stuff. Got that off Amazon just this last week. So this section here is like maternity tops, maternity bottoms. That's an old jewelry thing I need to get rid of. And then this is all my tops by color, all my jackets, all my bottoms, and other tops that like black, gray, brown, not colorful. And then over here in this little corner is my husband's clothes. This and the built-in, that's all his, that's it. And then there's my wedding dress up there. I got it preserved from David's Bridal. And this is like my colorful shoes, red, purple, blue, stuff like that. These are the ones I don't wear as often, tennis shoes, stuff like that. And then this section is just my dresses. Like I said, it isn't like neat. Like I still have like a belt hanging down. Like I'm real. This is how I live. Okay, so now let's head back through the great room and I'll go show you the yard. Alright, so I just walked outside. This is from that door. We have a TV out here, which I don't think we've ever used. Built-in grill, and then my in-laws had a grill that they brought with them. Gas fireplace, couch. All of this over here is for a shed, which we do not have yet, and we are purchasing. So, purchasing, and then we have to build it. But yeah, we just got like a big couch, bench. This is a kid's table with umbrella. These are kind of like built-in seating. Daisy loves to have picnics out here. We're taking out this sandbox. There's like cat poop. We have scorpions. It's Arizona. I don't want to deal with it. And then all the way back there, this is down one side of the yard, you can see there's like a slab. We're going to put the shed there. So that's where all that crap that was in a pile is going to go. 3 air conditioner units. Good times. And then when you go to the other side of the yard, you can see the pool. This is one part of this yard that's like kind of impressive. Like you see it and you're like, oh, that's nice. But then you turn this corner here and you're like, oh, it keeps going. Boom. So you can see like, you know, more seating, a lot of grass. There's our trash cans. My daughter plays out here on the slide. We have like that box there is full of toys. Yeah, pool area. It's February. We moved in a couple months ago, so we have not been in a pool just yet, but we will undoubtedly use it here in Arizona. But yeah, there's my shadow. Hello. Let's go ahead and go inside and I'll show you guys the other bedroom. So down one end of the hallway, this is what is going to be Daisy's big girl room. That's where her twin bed will go. There's a bookshelf, some toys. These are actually clothes that I just got from a girlfriend of mine. Her daughter's like 4.5 now. So she's giving us all these clothes for Daisy, so I have to go through them. But yeah, just a lot of toys. So this room, honestly, is pretty big. So I don't know if you can tell. It doesn't really do it justice, but it's pretty big. So that's going to be her big girl room. And then this is her nursery, so the crib and everything. And we're just going to move Daisy into a twin bed before the baby comes, and the baby will use this room. We have a recliner, big curtains, big windows, really high ceilings here. Yeah, changing table, another chair, closet. And then storage up there for all her baby clothes. And then I'll turn down this corner, hallway. This is like the kids' bath. And that's like the llama shower curtain, separate toilet room, but kind of see there. Just a little sink and area with 2 sinks for the kids. And then this is my office. It was already painted in this baseball theme when we moved in, so I rolled with it. My pillow there says swing for the fences, and then this one says there's no place like home that I hung. Little coffee table. This is where I work from home. And then this door here that you saw from the end of the hallway, that is to the basement. All right, so we have a baby gate because my daughter does know how to open doors. And then this is, so there, if you didn't catch it, there were 4 bedrooms upstairs. And then there are 3 bedrooms downstairs where my in-laws live. So this is their living room. Good size living room. Decent ceilings. Big windows, so it doesn't really feel like a basement to me. Yeah, and that, get there Grandma and Daisy's little chairs. Over here is the playroom. This is where Daisy plays with Grandma and stuff during the day. So we have a good amount of separation, you know, from them while the kids are here during the day. I say kids, she's my daughter right now, but when I have the baby I'm pregnant with, it will be kids. Sometimes my nephews come over too. And then they have this big hallway, the nice linen closet at the end. And then this is their bathroom. It had hot pink walls. So they might paint that, but just a walk-in shower. And this is their master bedroom. A lot of bookshelves here. Window again. Queen bed, TV, vanity, closets. I don't know if they're going to put doors on here, but yeah. Like, this is at the basement. Like, it's pretty big. I think our section is about 3,000 square feet, and then they have like another 1,600 square feet in their house. This is her guest room, and this is where Daisy has a crib as she naps during the day. And this is like her changing area. Queen bed for their guest room. Another closet. Sorry, this is probably really shaky and blurry here and there, but I'm trying. And then over here, this is like their kitchen slash storage room. So it's got like their microwave, coffee maker, crock pot, toaster, electric skillet, all that stuff. And then their built-in cabinet, sink, all that, trash. And then they have their fridge. And no stove or dishwasher, but yeah, it's just they keep their dishes and they eat here at the table. Alright, so this was our house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.